looking to update her master bathroom. She was tired of the old look, dark and dingy. She wanted to add more counter space. She wanted to make it more functional, add more storage, and just give it a major facelift. She had chose a high definition porcelain tile, 24 by 24 for the floor, and she chose the same tile for the shower, which was a 12 by 24 size. And we also used it as the bullnose base, the 3-inch bullnose, which really set off the space. Before, her previous vanity was a dark wood with like an oak stain, cultured marble double sink countertop. So we gave her some more space by relocating the vanity section where the toilet closet and the storage closet was in the bathroom. And we added some beautiful countryside cabinetry with a 5-piece drawer fronts with a painted alloy finish. Also, we added the Silestone Serena. So before, this customer had the old soaker sunken deck tub, which was big and it didn't look too pretty. Wasn't really functional right next to the vanity. So what the customer wanted was to update it to a more modern look. So she wanted us to install a bigger shower, so we made it 48 by 42. We added the Voss fixtures, the 12-inch Voss ring head and the hand sprayer. We also took the Silestone Serena quartz, made a quarter shelf and even a small shelf so she could make it easier to shave her legs. We also added that touch to her niche. So before, the client did have a small closet that was next to the toilet closet she had that we had to take out in order to have room for the new space for the vanity. So we added a nice big utility cabinet